Okay. So sometimes we wind up with some remainders when we divide. But we want our answer to be written as a decimal. So today we're going to talk about how to do that. So let's start with the example 78 divided by 8. So if I list my steps, I would say step number 1 is to divide as usual, just how we normally do long division. So I'm going to say divide using DM, dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover. Our long division, right? So, does 8 go into 7? No. Does 8 go into 78? Yes. How many times? 9. I'm going to put my 9 over the 8. 9 times 8? 72. What's my next step? What is 78 minus 72? Okay. So I divided as normal, and I wound up with the remainder 6. But I need to write it as a decimal, right? So that's when we go on to step 2. And step 2, I'm going to add a decimal point and a 0. So it looks like this. So I'm going to add a decimal point, 0. So I'm adding a 0 to my dividend. Your dividend is the number inside the house, right? Yep. Okay. Then, step 3, I'm going to continue DMSBR. So continue dividing as normal. So I need to bring down my 0. Does 8 go into 60? Yes. How many times? 5. No, 7. 7. So I'm going to extend that, and I'm going to put a 7. What's 7 times 8? 56. Now I subtract 60 minus 56. What do I get? 4. I still have a remainder. What do I need to do? Selma. Right, we keep adding zeros. So I'm going to extend my dividend, add another 0. I'm going to bring it down. Does 8 go into 40? Yes. How many times? 5. What is 5 times 8? 40. 40 minus 40. 0. Once I have 0, I know I am done. So my answer is 9 decimal point 75. So step 4, I'm going to write down, continue until you have 0 for a remainder. Ben, go get a pencil. Like, that's way too tiny.